Hi, do you want to come to Canada? Do you want to come to Canada with a visa that's sponsored by your employer and it's paid for by your employer? There are employers right now who already have applied for an LMIA with the government of Canada to bring in foreign workers. Now, do you want to come? Do you want to come live the Canadian dream? Do you want to come for a better life? If you want to come to Canada, DM me. I will send you information on companies that are looking to hire you. For example, there is a company in Quebec right now. They're looking for production workers. Basically, you don't have to have a special skill for that. And they're willing to sponsor you on a visa to bring you to Canada. They already applied with the government. All they're looking for is someone to send in the resume for the job. DM me, I'll be happy to give you a free consultation for 15 minutes, at least to guide you and tell you exactly what you need to do. I'm in Canada here. And it makes more sense when you have somebody who's on the ground who is seeing everything and can tell you exactly from his own experience what is here and what you need to do. I'll give you another example. There's another company, they're looking for computer network technicians, also in Quebec. They're ready to pay about $55,000 per annum, and with 40 hours per week. But they already applied with the government though. They already applied to the government for an LMIA, to be able to sponsor somebody. The companies will pay your sponsorship fees. They're ready to bring you to Canada. All they need you to do is to apply for the job. But if you don't apply for the job, you will not get an opportunity to be invited for an interview and to be hired.